Got my buck stop bumper. My come up winch. I'm pulling over a tree that's about 160, 175 feet tall. Here we go with my remote. So this was our spot to fall it in that we had mowed, and the tree went off to the left here. And there was rot in this tree on my holding wood side, and I aimed the hinge more to the right to compensate for the rot, and I left a way fatter hinge, as you can see there. And I've never had a Doug fir be so rotten that, I mean, even though I left a way fatter of a hinge on the side I wanted it to go, it didn't help at all. It went towards the good wood side. Even though I trimmed the good side down to 2 inches thick. This is over 4 feet in diameter. This is like 5 foot stub here. And it still didn't hold worth beans. Went off to the left.